Hi everyone, good morning. So our today's topic is paper 2017. From this paper we will solve activity number 2, database, and in database we will do DB2. DB1 very easy, you are familiar with paper 16 and all same. Okay, so I will focus on DB2 and 3 and 4. So open a new document, word processing software, enter task db1 db2. As I told you, if you have already made task db1, so open that file. Okay, so we will check where is the folder. This 2016 results are here, and db1 we have done in this. Open anyone, for example db2. So open this file, right? So save as, and this is 2016, so make a folder here, results 2017. Okay, and task db2. So we have saved. Just click and delete the data, delete the table from here, and click and delete the table from here. Okay, so this is db2, name xyz, db1, and center number. We will not write the name and center number because it is a YouTube policy that don't disclose personal information. Okay, so now this file db2 is ready, so you save it. Leonie wants a list of workers downly as the second line of their address. The list should display this title, name, and this, and worker table. Create a query search on the worker table to produce the list. Display the results of the query search. Okay, so we will go in the database here, 2017. Open any 2003 or 7 as I told you before. So 7, OPR 2017 database. Okay, see worker table is there. So just worker, open worker table. These are the details. And now what they want. Okay, open address 1 and address 2. See downly is here. So address 2, from address 2 they want where downly is there. Okay, like this, 1 2 3 4 5 times it is there. Okay, in address 2 line. So what we will do, create a query design, add table, worker, show all fields. Now add all fields, it is up to you, like this. Now what they want, worker downly as a second line of their address. So we will go in address 2, in criteria row we will type downly, enter. Downly is there. Go to query design and run. See, these are the results, but one thing we will change it. Show only those fields which are mentioned: title, first name, last name, postcode. 4 fields only. Okay, so go in the database, show title, first name, last name, and postcode. No need to display others. Query design. So first name, last name, address 1. This is also checked. We will save, go to design. Address 2 not required, address 1 not required, birth date not required to show. Only these 4 fields, 1, 2, 3, 4. Query design and run. This one is required. Now save it. DB2A. So this is a query table. Close this. We have saved query DB2A, task DB2, paste the results in task DB2. So go in the database, copy this and open file. We have created task DB2 and paste the results. So these are the results like this and save it. Okay, so I think it is clear to you now. Now open the coastal walk table. Johnny wants a list of walkers with a distance of 115 km or more. Show only walk name, region, distance and rating. Only coastal walk table. Okay, this is second query. So create query design, tables, add coastal walk, show all fields. Okay. Now you can add all fields like this, but which field you have to show walk name, region, distance and rating. Walk name, region and rating, distance and walk name, region, rating. So this and walk name, region, distance and rating. These 4 fields we will check. Walk name, region, distance and rating. Okay. But order is walk name, region and distance. Walk name, distance and region. So see, click here, just bring the mouse here and now drag it. Region, distance and rating. Okay, now distance and criteria, you will write greater than or equal, because this says 115 or more. So this one, greater than or equal 115. Query, see the results. Okay, now save this as a DB2B. You can copy this also. Sorry, this is DB2B. Rename DB2B. Right click and copy. Yes, so coastal walk we have used, display the query search, and DB2 we have given name. Copy the results and paste into task DB2. Go here and see, give proper name. DB2A is coming, DB2B is coming. You will not lose the marks if name is not same as per in the paper. It should be as per in the paper. Okay, so you can, if enough space, so you can stretch it like this, make it more visible. So this is DB2, task DB2. B. Now DB3, open a new document using word processor documents. What we will do, this is DB2, so we will save it as a, make a copy of this and save as, just give name DB3, right, in the same folder, save it. But quickly you will do this table, delete the data from this file. Okay, open and delete the table. Others will remain same, only you will change. Double click in the footer and DB3. Name, XYZ, ID and center number. So you close this footer header and you are in the file now and save it. Now DB3 ready. right? The image shows the relationship between a table and the database. Answer these questions on the document as needed. Explain why the worker ID field is required in both worker and the history table. Explain why it is better to store the data in 3 tables rather than in just one table. Okay, first go in the database. See, this is the database, this is the relationship, and coastal walk and history one to many relationship, and walker and history one to relationship. I explained to you this is a walker. For example, 5 students registered for a walk. Okay, now they are 5 in total, but their history may be different. Maybe 2 students are coming daily, maybe 5 students are coming, maybe they are going for 2 times, so their ID will be repeated here. That's why relation is one to many. One worker can participate 2 times, okay, in a day or in a month or in a week. That is relation is one to many. And here coastal walk also and history, so coastal walk ID will be repeated, coastal walk ID here and walker ID here. That's why the relation is one to many. So question number 1, why walker ID field is required both walker ID and in the history. See, try to understand why worker ID field, this one, is required in both fields to maintain the integrity of the data. If worker ID 1 is here, worker ID 1 will be here also. If worker ID is not here and worker ID is here, worker ID 1 here, but how we will check the history about worker ID 1. Okay, so worker ID is used in history to maintain the integrity of the data. Mean if worker ID 1 is here, it must be here also. If 2 here, 2 must be here also. If 2 is here but it is not here, so it means worker ID 2 not participated in the history. He never went for the walk. That's why data must be maintained. Worker ID should be here. Okay, so this second, explain why it is better to store data in 3 tables rather than in just one table. See, if database is in one table, that is a flat database, and if database consists of number of tables, it is known as relational database. Okay, so information is broken down in different fields, so easy to access, easy to update, right, easy to check information. If it is in one table, very difficult to maintain, very difficult to check, because some information will leave empty, some, and if one table is there, data will be duplicated many times. Okay, for example, worker ID is there, but for history you will again type worker and history as well, both information you will type if data is in one table, so duplication. And if in different tables, it avoids duplication. Okay, so that is the answer. Now Leonie wants a list of workers who have completed either Angelisi walk or the Durham walk. This is also very easy. Show only these fields and sort it in ascending order of walk name within ascending order of walk date within ascending order of walk name. Again, it is easy. So now close this. Now go to create, query design, tables. Now you will add all tables because data is from different fields, different tables. Okay, show all fields. Yes, now check which fields: first name, last name, birth date, first name, last name, what is next, work name and birth date. These four fields are there: birth date, work name, work date and work time. Work date and work time. Now check which field, on which field you will put the criteria. Criteria is completed either Angelisi walk or the Durham walk. So it means work name table is already here, we have added, so no issue. So work name is here, you will type Angelisi or Durham. Angelisi or Durham walk. We will check the spelling also from the table. So coastal walk. This is walk name. Check Angelisi is here. Distance is this. Durham is here. And Angelisi is there. Check spellings. Yes, okay. Now Durham or Angelisi. So queries, design and search. So 3 records are there and we are showing this. So one change you will do. They said next sort. Walk name. We will sort on fields. Be sorted in ascending order of walk date within ascending order of walk name. Okay. Walk date. This one. Ascending. And walk name also ascending. You will select both in sorting row ascending. This is the record. Okay, now next save is, save this with DB3 B. This is DB3B. Here they didn't mention, so don't worry. DB3 is there, so DB3B. DB3B, it should be capital. Right? So we'll close all this. Next is DB4. Learning wants to display the results of the query search carried out in part B of task DB3. We have done now this query. Okay. So create a database report to display the results. Show only fields walk name, first name, last name and walk date in this order. Walk name, first name, last name and walk date. Have a suitable title, have column, easy to understand, fit on one side of A4, enter task DB4 in the page footer of the document, in the report. Okay, so go here. Now we'll go to create and report result. Select first walk name. Sorry, not from here. We will select the previous result DB3B. This one. Walk name, first name, last name and walk time. I will check. They say only these fields. Yes, walk date is there, not walk time, walk date. So these 4 fields. So follow this. So this is the format how the report will be displayed. You want like this, walk name here and other detail here. This in a single row. Yes, we want like this. And this is another format you want to display like this. If nothing is asked in the paper, then you can use any. layout to display the details of the report, but we want in a single row. You want to do grouping, so here in this we are not discussing grouping. Actually grouping is, as per the walk name. For example, there is Angelisi or Durham walk, so how many participated in Angelisi or Durham. So you want, I will just show you, we want a grouping like this. See, so walk name will come on top and detail will come. Maybe 2 participated in one walk, and then other 5 participated in other walk, and other 5 participated in third type of walk. Different names of walk are there in the walk table. Okay, coastal walk. So right now we don't want, go just back, this back, select this, next, not this one. Okay, just select from here this one and next. Do you want any grouping? No. And sorting not mentioned, so you can select sorting of your own choice on first name, next. And this format we want, yes. List of workers, right? Workers in Durham or Angelisi walk. Okay, so make it clear. The report name should be clear, right? So then click and finish this one. So this is the report, and this is the report. Okay, so now we will go see here title is missing and this is also missing. So right click and design. Okay, so you can reduce the space from here and increase this here and reduce, bring it here, and you can here and set this also. Format, go to home and format here left, and this is also left, this left, this left, you can check. Okay, so now just save it and report view. See, now informations are clear, but this is still not parallel to this, so we will do this. But again, this worker we will check this, set this left also, left line like this. This is left line, so this should be left line. By default it comes in center. Okay, so report view, see. Okay, so open in design view. There are 4 sections of the report. Report header, report header, this is page header, title will come, first name, last name, and then detail, data, records will come. First name, what is first name, Ali, Ahmad, then next Asad, like this. All first name will appear here. Then page footer, end of the page, what will appear, page number and date will come. And this is a report footer, mean end of the report, what you want to display. If you want to write something on end of the report, for example, your report consists of 5 pages and you want to write the manager name on the 5th page, so you will create a space like this. So this is a report footer. Otherwise you drag it down here, right here. They said in the paper, I will show you here, they said in the report footer here, page footer, task DB4, your name, candidate number and center. So we will write here using format techniques, this one. Okay, report design, go in report design and use this label method and draw a box. First click and then drag, Control Z, report, this one. Now click and then drag like this. So what you will write, task DB4, name XYZ, ID 09, and center you will write any number, here number, here any number 1 2 3 4, okay, given to you, and center number of your school you will write here. So I will not write this center because YouTube policy, no need to, we will not write this, disclose the center. Okay, save this, or you want to see the report view, see this is so it will come here. So how you will do this, you will take the screenshot of this from here. Even report consists of 5 pages, you will take the screenshot of first page and paste here and DB. We didn't paste report this one, just a minute, we'll check. This we are wearing DB4. This is DB4, and DB3 we have saved, pasted the result. Okay, so what we will do, we will save this as a DB4, save as DB4, right, and change here also DB4. Now we have taken the screenshot and control V. This is the result of task DB4. I hope you got this now. Okay, so thank you very much. This one.